In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Heygen video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick the right avatar, add your script and voice, customize the scene, and render a polished video without confusion. First, open your web browser and search for Heygen. From the results, look for the official Heygen website. It should clearly reference the Heygen platform for AI-generated videos. Open that link so you're on the correct site and ready to work. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In. Use your existing account to access the tools you'll need. After signing in, find and click AI Studio. This is the main creation workspace where you'll build and edit your video, so it's the best place to start any new project. Inside AI Studio, click on the avatar you want to edit. This brings your chosen avatar onto the canvas, so you can control how it looks and speaks. If you're exploring options, this is a great moment to pick the personality that matches your message. On the right side of the screen, click the Avatar section. This panel is where you change or refine your on-screen host. You'll see different categories to help you find the best fit. Choose between three types: Instant Avatar for a realistic, ready-to-go presenter, Photo Avatar to animate a still image you've provided, or Studio Avatar for a more premium studio-quality presence. Think about your audience and tone. For example, a product demo may benefit from a polished studio avatar, while quick explainers often work great with an instant avatar. Next, move to your message. Type your text into the script box on the right. Keep sentences clear and use punctuation to guide natural pacing. If you already have a recorded narration, you can upload an audio file instead, so the avatar speaks with your actual voice. Make sure the audio is clean and consistent for the best lip sync. To fine-tune delivery, click the voice name to open the library. You can filter by language, gender, or style, such as cheerful or professional. Pick a voice that matches your brand and the emotional tone of your script. Now bring your scene to life. In the Elements tab, add on-screen text, images, or shapes for emphasis and branding. Use simple layouts and clear contrast. In the Background tab, select a studio office look for a professional feel, or use a solid color for a clean, minimal backdrop. When everything looks right, click Submit at the top right. This uses your credits to render a high-quality final video. Give it a moment to process, and you're done. Your Heygen video is ready.